welcome to this Trunkclub unboxing video. If you don't already know, Trunkclub is a clothing subscription service by Nordstrom, which sends you a monthly shipment of clothing. There's a styling fee of $25 for each box, and new members will get $50 off their first box with the referral code that is linked in our description below. So let's get into it. So the first item that we have in here on top is the classic chambray shirt from the brand 1901. The next item is this navy and white checkered top from 1901, the brand as well. The next item is this simple leather crossbody bag from Madewell, and the design is called English Saddle. Next up, we have the cap sleeve peplum top from Caslon in navy. Next is the long sleeve modal blend tee from Halogen in the color ivory. Next, we have the Paradise hooded pullover from Sweaty Betty in the color white. Next is the Escape Luxe hoodie, also from Sweaty Betty, in the color black. Next up are the Sportswear retro terry pants from Nike in the color gray heather. This is the double Whipstitch leather belt from Treasure and Bond in the color black. These are the 60mm rimless round sunglasses in the color blue from BP. These are Maggie Huggie earrings from Kendra in the metal rhodium filigree. And next up are these two pairs of shoes. These are the Air Zoom Nike Pegasus 37 running shoes in the color white, and these are the Carson Ballet flats in the color black from the brand Frye.